Gupta. We are going to continue the 30-day series of different makeup and hair looks. So for today's video, we are going to do a everyday makeup tutorial. For this, you have to keep watching. So keep watching.
So first we are starting from moisturize our skin. Moisturize your skin is so important for before makeup. Next step is priming your skin. I'm taking a Swiss Beauty Pearl Finish Primer and taking a belt and applying all over my face. Next step is foundation. I'm taking Swiss Beauty liquid foundation. You can use any flat brush or foundation brush or any beauty blender to blend it out. I'm taking a liquid foundation that has light coverage because we are doing everyday makeup tutorial. I don't like too much makeup on everyday basis. That's why I'm taking a light coverage foundation or a liquid foundation that gives me subtle soft look so I can wear all day without any issue. Next, I'm taking the Fashion Factory concealer to conceal my under eye area or some of my hyperpigmentation area. Do not ever forget concealer. If you also can use just concealer, not at all foundation, it also gonna work with your skin. Just remember that you can blend it well with it. Blend same foundation brush. You can use also a concealer brush or any brush whatever you want or any beauty blender. For setting the concealer and the foundation, I'm taking a Clamy's setting powder. Without setting your concealer and foundation, it will give you cracky and lines look all over your skin. So setting is important. Yeah, I don't need to fill my brows, so I'm just setting it with the mascara wand. For giving my eyes a deeper look, I'm taking my crease color that is brown and blending with fluffy brush on all over my eye crease. Now it's time for a concentration because we are applying a liner. I'm taking a CV3 liquid liner and applying a winged liner. If anyone stares me at applying liner, I really get confused and messed up my liner. Anyone can relate to me? Yeah or no? God, it's done. How's it looks? Now I'm taking a blusher brush and applying blush on my cheeks and a little bit on a nose. I love this. Sometimes I curl my eyelashes or sometimes I'm not. But curling your eyelashes gives you a different look. It's obvious. After curling your lashes, apply mascara. I'm taking a Glam 21 mascara and applying on my eyelashes. Now I'm applying a lipstick. I love applying pink shades. It gives me a confidence and also lipsticks gives you complete look. Now we are done with the makeup. Now it's time for a hair. For this I'm gonna do a box section and dividing into a two parts. On both section I am doing a regular braid. And taking them upwards and taking some more hairs and tying with a big ponytail. Now this look is complete. What do you think about this look? Comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any makeup, skincare, hair care videos. Thank you. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Thank you. Stay happy, stay glam. Bye bye.